these are the last items that I need to pack. So today, get your coffee, tea, snacks ready. Will be a relaxing chatting video. Just to also inform you guys that I may have a little bit delay or longer gap between my videos, as I am now finally going back to UK in September. There are quite a lot of things that I need to do before the trip. I will try to record as much as I can, but in between I will record mini vlogs, a day of my life in UK, for example, if you guys are interested. Hope you guys don't mind. Hope you guys will still love my channel. Thank you guys for understanding. I start from 2 pearl necklaces. I don't think they're real pearls, but it has the effect, especially within this half year. It's full of using or utilizing pearls into more casual younger generations, which are very much in trend and in fashion, which I find this one is very nice. It's medium to small size, and here is a very smart design of mixing those two materials. And the second one is in bone shape. And I really like the reflection. It's more like a shell reflection, and when you tilt it, it gives you a different light catching. Let's open Joocyee first. They've introduced a new launch, which is a new collection, and this series is called Daydreamer. Look at the packaging. It's like a very nice nude baby pink. And the palette number is 14. It's a very Barbie pink, very cute color combinations. By looking at the palette itself, is as usual Joocyee. Those type of palettes are very multifunctional. And if you look at the colors itself, this one you can also, those two you can use as brow powders as well. When you wet it, this one can be used for liner, those contour colors, highlight colors, and those like the atmosphere base colors for the eye looks, as well as your blush. If I got time before I go back to UK, I will do a like kind of get ready with me of using those makeups on my face. If not, I will do this videos in UK. Don't forget to subscribe. The powder quality is really good. Good level of pigmentation. And this, look, when it's under the, well, now it's facing the natural daylight, you may not see the sparkle that shining, but when it's under a spotlighting, this one will look very pretty. And you see the evenness of this dark color as well. And this time the liquid lipstick, I really like the packaging. It's very dreamlike, very nice nude pink, and with silver lid. It's so nice. It's very much like a very nice perfume bottle. Can't remember whether I chose this one or this one was given as a gift. Can't remember. Anyway, I got 2 colors from this new collection. Is 735, 736. 735, 736. I would say those 2 colors are nice, but nothing special. Like flower nose, even flotte. A lot of brands have those 2 or similar colors. Oh, this one is nice. Very stylish. This is the 954L. This one is very nice. This one is very much like a brown muddy color. Oh, there are more chocolate color showing. It smells chocolate as well. So if you like chocolate brown color, see, this one is nice. Next one is from Funny Elves. In Chinese, if you translate it directly, it means liquid pressed powder. I was purely attracted by its name. Besides, Funny Elves pressed powder is actually really good. Dun dun! It's a little bit similar like what's ooh. It has like plastic PU leather feel. It's like a bigger version of Perfect Diary's business card liquid lipstick in there. I saw people who using it describe it as you don't need to set it. So it has foundation with setting powder, that type of feel. Once it's finished, you feel like your foundation being set. When you press it out, it's literally just look like a normal foundation per se. I'm not sure I chose the right color. When you do the spreading, you literally feel it's like a very, very nice texture, like light yogurt, a very light cream feel. I think I get the concept, although I haven't used it yet, I need to actually try it. But the base just on spreading out on the hand, towards the end, towards you feel it starts settling on your skin, you start feel a little bit of that very fine sandy powder feel. And now, once it's all set, you do feel it's like being setted. Very weird. And let me quickly, clean this hand. Now it's clean. No much foundation coming off. It's only tiny a little bit over here. Oh wow, look guys, even I do this. See, there is no stripes or no coming off. Oh, this really intrigued me to try it. And let's do a testing just on its own together. And I got the two Tom Ford lip gloss. Color 22 and the color 24. Tom Ford's packaging, I think we're all very familiar with. Very luxury classic. 24 is called Honeyed Coral and 22 is called Sunrise Pink. They're nice, but not sure whether it's nice on the lip. 24, 22. 24, it has a little bit of purple undertone with lovely, actually lovely golden, like different colors, but mainly you see like yellow, gold, green, pink glitters in there. And this is 22, which is a very energetic, cute pink, but it has like orange coral undertone, like ice cream smell. That's on the bare lip. It doesn't even out your lip tone itself, but gives you a very beautiful reflection, literally glossy reflection, and the details is quite eye-catching. The formulation is quite nice to wear, but I think it's better to be a topper unless you have a very even tone yourself, good shape of a lip. Then 22. It's not sticky, but it has the the strings when you talk. Look. So bear that in mind. This color is actually nice. I thought going to be a little bit luminous or a little bit like a Barbie pink, but it actually nice. Yeah, weirdly nice. And I got a Tom Ford eyeshadow palette, which is number 2, Tropical Dust. It's pink coral undertone with brown. It's a little bit different with traditional like earthy palette. Ooh, quite like it. Here's the color. It's not the best swatch. This one is because of myself. I was using the wipe, so here was a little bit wet. Hence, you see the patches. But if you see those 3 colors, this is very good designed pink. It has good level of gray. So even used as a base, it's very friendly for puffy eyes. And the Maogeping's another palette I got it now is called the Nude Makeup Eyeshadow Palette from the last contour highlighting palette, which is this one I've got. I was so impressed. Since I got this one, I absolutely fall in love with it. It's so good. If you haven't seen this video, I will link it over here. The color combinations is just so my cup of tea. I know it could be boring, but it's just my, you know, my own taste. Then got another, let me grab mine. Another FLORASIS tinted powder, which is this one. I almost finished. I bought a new one, was going to bring back to UK, but my mom tried once and she loves it. So I gave that one to her and I bought the third one to carry with me. And I bought a Giorgio Armani's Power Fabric powder, setting powder. This isn't new, but it was on sale, so as I never used it, hence I think, why not? Oh, the cover is very sleek, and my color is number 1. Inside is like this, and you will see the puff. Oh, oh wow. The puff is quite nice. One side is like a sponge, a very fine sponge, and the other one is like a velvet feel. It's similar like a Makeup Forever one. Let's just touch the powder. I'm sure it's fine. When you touch it, most of powders you will feel fine, but you do need to see how it applies on the face. Yeah, you guys don't really see. It seems fine just on swatches, but we shall see. And I got a brow powder. This one I bought it because of its packaging. Not packaging, it's the carving design. Ooh. It's from the brand called TMH Future Skin Brow Powder. And the inside, it looks like this. It's a little brush, and it looks like this. This is very similar, like, was it Hourglass? The eyeshadow palettes they got. Everbub's face palette. I bought this together with the Splashings face palette because I find that there are similarities, so I want to see if they are similar. That's the palette. The most interesting one is this one, as I feel this shimmer color, by just look at it, I didn't swatch myself, obviously. It looks, from the picture, similar like Splashings palette. And look at those two. Can you see these similarities? And I'm intrigued to know, oh, now I can probably see the difference. Is this color from Splashings palette versus this color from Everbub. This is from Splashing and this is Everbub. The undertone is different. The Splashing is more golden undertone, yellow undertone, and the Everbub is more pink undertone. But look at the reflection. Both of them, the texture are very similar. It's very silky smooth. When you swipe on the skin, you literally feel like you touch a silk. Splashing this one is even finer. There is no glitters in there whatsoever. It's literally just like a very shiny sheen. And I got a Hourglass primer. To be honest, it is actually my first Hourglass primer. This is called the Vanish Airbrush Primer. This is not new, right? Is it new? It's not new. It's like a very light lotion. Very gentle, rosy or floral smell. You feel it's quite hydrating, but it's mattify your skin. It become like a matte finish straight away. Can you see? And next one is a new brow pencil, like in this shape. And then they give you a brow cone, which is very lovely, and come with a little like tube You can push it in. Good for traveling. Last one is from the Red Chamber. A Red Chamber, this brand is a clean beauty brand. Yeah, same as Funny Elves. I think both of them are clean beauty, clean makeup. I thought I only bought a palette, but I think it's like full box of things. Home fragrance. Oh, it's for like car fragrance. You can hand this one on. I don't want to open it because it's, as soon as you open it, it starts fainting in it. If you are interested, I will take some pictures and short videos when I'm using it next time. This is a brush, like for the lip. Have you guys ever tried Red Chambers? It's actually called multifunction cream product. I don't know whether you guys used it. It's really, really good. It's very multifunctional. You can use for your eye look, blush, and the lip. I got this palette is because I really like the packaging to start with. You know, very sleek, and I like the colors in here. I personally feel if you use it as an eye look, you do still need to use translucent setting powders to set to make it last longer. Those are the 4 colors. I personally like this and this one. Very easy to be blended out. You don't need much technique. You can either use a sponge or a little bit like a kabuki, little bit danced brush. I think I done a Red Chambers video. If you guys are interested, I will link it over here. Thank you so much guys for spending time with me. Hope you also feel relaxed, enjoying your cup of tea or coffee or maybe snacks or whatever you do when you're watching this video. Thanks a lot. Don't forget to subscribe. I will see you on my next one.